Hi friends, in this video I'll be showing 3 methods to open Google Play Store, then search and install games and apps. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, please like and share the video. Method 1, go to settings, select this settings icon, go to apps, select see all apps, go down and select show system apps. From this system apps we have to find Google Play Store. Let me go down. So there we would be able to find Google Play Store. See, select it, then select open. So this is the Google Play Store. Here on top we can find apps tab, then games tab. Here we get a search option. Using this search field we can search for apps and games, then we can install it. This is the method 1. Let me go to method 2. Go to home screen, then go to apps tab, then go down. So here we can see the search field. So here we can search for apps and games. It will automatically search in Google Play Store. From there we can install apps and games. Here we can also get app categories. So we can use app category to select the app. And this is a method 2. Let me go to method 3. Method 3. So we can use this global search. In this global search field, we can search for apps, games, movies, shows, everything. So when we search something here, it will search in the Google Play Store as well. So this is a method 3. So these are the 3 methods. Please try this.